Situated at the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh has emerged as a favored destination for the industry and is ranked 4th in the ease of doing business ranking. Land booking for industrial establishments is just a few clicks away with the new GIS-based land booking portal of MPIDC. The portal makes the process of land allotment easy and transparent for the investors.
The whole process of land allotment system newly employed by MPIDC is what I used for recently buying a land in one of the industrial areas. Anybody who might be new just has to log on to MPIDC, and this is what exactly I did. I logged on to the website and the whole map was available. I chose my plot. I could also see everything that industrial area will provide me in terms of amenities, facilities. I could actually choose the location as well, and then I had to just apply online for it and wait for them to approve my application.
The investor visits the portal, and by navigating through the GIS map, he or she can see all the vacant and allotted plots and select the vacant plot as per requirement. Investor can see all amenities around their preferred plot on the GIS map. Investor fills the land booking application, e-signs it, and pays the booking amount online. Thereafter, Executive Director of concerned regional office reviews the application and issues online letter of intent within 7 days. The service has also been notified under the Public Service Guarantee Act. The system has the feature of issuing automatic LOI for investment above Rs 10 crore. After the approval, investor uploads the project report and pays the remaining amount online. The allotment letter is generated. An investor can download it from the portal. Once the allotment is done, investor selects the range of preferred plot survey date. Concerned RO selects a mutually convenient date and nominates a person from RO for the physical survey of the plot. Physical survey is carried out to verify and ensure the dimensions and the location of the plot with respect to the details mentioned on the portal. Survey is conducted in the presence of the investor. Department official completes the survey process and uploads the survey report on the portal. A sample template of the lease deed is available on the portal for reference purposes. Investor can download the survey report and draft copy of lease deed. The lease deed is executed between investor and concerned regional office and registered at respective sub-registrar office. Investor uploads the executed deed on the portal, which is verified by the respective regional office. It is pertinent to mention that all the steps related to land allotment, including execution of lease deed, have been brought under Public Service Guarantee Act. The GIS-based land allotment system provides all the information related to land parcel, including area of land, amenities, neighboring units, etc., for making an informed choice. The system is contactless and covers all the workflows related to land allotment. The portal provides real-time application status, search facility on multiple parameters, and committed to time-bound land allotment process.
MPIDC पोर्टल में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा इस बात का है कि आप जो भी प्लॉट बुक करना चाहते हैं आप उसको घर में बैठे ही विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा क्लियरली उसको मार्केट किया हुआ है कि कहाँ रोड है, कहाँ सब स्टेशंस हैं, कहाँ हॉस्पिटल है, तो आपको वहाँ तक जाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप इजीली उसको बुकिंग कर सकते हैं.
With the allotment, there was a little bit of payment, application fee and everything involved, which was also done online. So far no office visits, nothing, and also the website is efficient, so everything went on smoothly. And then one visit to the officer's office where it was a pre-appointed time, no waiting. The whole process was seamless there also. They asked a few questions which I answered and they approved my land allotment. After that, everything was again on email through this website, through the process of land allotment, and I received the allotment letter and I had to make the complete payments, which was also done online. It was completely cashless, not even a rupee was paid anywhere other than on the website, which was also only 2 transactions, and the land was allotted, the lease was signed in the leasing office of the government.
The all-new GIS-based system for land allotment is a step forward in leveraging the power of technology and setting up an amicable, hassle-free and transparent industrial ecosystem in Madhya Pradesh.